Hello students, dreaming of becoming an engineer? Then look no further than IIT JEE exam. Your IIT JEE exam is conducted into two stages, that is IIT JEE Mains and IIT JEE Advanced. IIT JEE Mains is an online computer based exam. It consists of total 90 questions. There are 30 questions from physics, there are 30 questions from chemistry, and there are 30 questions from maths. Now each subject is divided into two sections, that is section A and section B. Your section A consists of 20 MCQ based questions. Now your section A, all 20 questions are compulsory. Whereas your section B consists of 10 questions. Out of 10 questions, 5 questions are compulsory and which are your numerical based questions. Now students, you cannot attend 25 random questions. You have to attend 20 questions from section A and 5 questions from section B. You have 3 hours to complete the IIT JEE Mains exam, which carries maximum of 300 marks. Each wrongly attended question consists of 25% of negative marking. On the other hand, your JEE Advanced exam is more competitive than JEE Mains exam. JEE Advanced exam is consisting of variety of questions, which are your singly correct, multiple correct and numerical based questions. In order to attend the JEE Advanced exam, you need to clear JEE Mains exam. For getting success in JEE exam, TG Campus is introducing comprehensive IIT JEE preparation course. With our cutting-edge technology, you can access the course anytime, anywhere. All our online sessions and lectures are meticulously recorded, allowing you to review any missed content. Immerse yourself in 600 hours of live lectures and doubt removal sessions led by expert tutors dedicated to your success. Prepare for the ultimate exam with our exclusive pre-exam webinar offering valuable insights and guidance. Test your knowledge and track your progress with 45 plus chapter tests and 500 plus class tests, ensuring a strong foundation in every topic. Challenge yourself with 5 plus sample papers meticulously crafted to stimulate the real exam experience. Unleash your potential with unlimited hours of self-practice tests and a wealth of course materials including mind maps, study notes, class notes, video lectures and explainer videos. Stay connected with our monthly PTMs, ensuring continuous support and monitoring of your progress. Join the ranks of extraordinary achievers who have conquered IIT JEE exam with our unmatched course. Visit our website by clicking on the link in the description box or call us at 1800 267 2677 to enroll now.